Thiko ya muthia ya guthikiririo gwa ciira uria uragomeire kamishna wa kamiti ya ithurano bururi-ini ya Irene Masit irutire mweke kuri wakiri wake Donald Kipkorir guteaniria wira wa wakiri wa kamiti na Peter Mugi akiendekithia kweherio kwa Masit ta kamishna wa IEBC.
That there is overwhelming evidence to prove 3 of the grounds for removal of Commissioner Irene Masit under Article 251(1) of the Constitution.
Kuringana na Mugi, kamishna Masit ni agararira watho riria egemeire mwena umwe wa kiuteti hindi ya githurano kinene kia mwaka muhituku riria endekithirie guthogwo kwa maumirira ma githurano undu uria Kipkorir ateaniirie ta gukorwo gutari wira muiganu ati Masit ni oire murugamo wa kiuteti mugaru na watho.
This commissioner pursued the line that election results, the presidential election, need to be moderated because she had a candidate of her choice who, I dare say, was to win, do or die for her. Then every other evidence was that she wanted that they force a runoff through manipulation of results.
But the bottom line is that the 11 witnesses basically relied on the affidavit of Wafula Chebukati and what they purportedly saw on television. The allegations are around what was in the meetings of 3 a.m., 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. and the alleged Serena conference.
Masit augite ati wira uria umugomeire umanite na ndumiriri uria wari muikariri gitu Wafula Chebukati iria ni ta ndeto cia muhuhu kona aria othe magwetetwo ta gukorwo mekinyitie micemani-ini ya utuku kugeria guthoga maumirira ma githurano kihituku matiaheirwo mweke wa gwitetera.
And my lord, it's instructive to note that because basically what they said is hearsay evidence. It wasn't based on any evidence at all. And hearsay evidence is not acceptable, it's not admissible in law. And I invite you, my lord, to reject the evidence of the witnesses that was proffered before you.
The evidence of Mr. Wafula Chebukati and the evidence of 2 former commissioners and the evidence of the current CEO of IEBC was primary evidence, not secondary evidence. It cannot be equated as hearsay. They were present, they saw what happened, and they corroborated each other in terms of the allegations that we've presented and before you. They cannot be said to be hearsay evidence. The wise thing would have been for the commissioner to take the witness stand and rebut.
Kuringana na Masit, igoti ciikaro niria mwehereirie mahitia mothe hindi ya ciira wa githurano kia mwaka muhituku kuria no uria wari muikariri gitu Wafula Chebukati wanyitikanira na mahitia hindi ya utabania wa githurano kihituku guku wakiri Mugi agwetete itua ria Masit kwaga gwitetera kumana na wira wa aira 11 aria mekinyirie mbere ya kamiti ino ta kionereria gia gukorwo na mahitia.
If there was anyone of the commissioners who was wrong, then it was the chairman, giving himself powers that the constitution did not give him. Is the only commissioner was faulted by the Supreme Court, by name.
And those are the issues that were determined by the Supreme Court. A reading of all those issues with a toothpick is clear. None of them address the issue of removal of any of the commissioners of the IEBC pursuant to Article 251 of the Constitution.
Kamiti no riu ithiite keheri niguo kuhariria itua ria uria muthia riria makendekithia kuri mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ria kana Irene Masit ni agiriire kweherio ta kamishna wa kamiti ya IEBC kana ni akuhonoka.
We thank you all. Thank you.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitego Maura, Wagunya.